everybody. My name is Artur Brotons Rufes, and I'm studying my PhD on computational chemistry in the University of Girona, Catalonia, Spain, under the supervision of Dr. Artur Brotons. And I just finished my STEM Lab molecular dynamic course on ionic liquids. And only to say, I had no previous experience on molecular dynamics, nor on number tools or grammars or related software. But with this project, I had the opportunity to introduce myself on these methods and this subject, not just from a very basic theoretical point of view, but also in a very practical way, something that I appreciate a lot. The project studied was related to the modeling of a ionic liquid system for the absorption of gases, gases that are potentially harmful for the environmental and global health. And well, in general, is a very hot topic and a very interesting line of research. Um, the knowledge gotten and the tools I've been introduced have been taught in a way that I could easily apply to another future projects, something I'm really willing to do. And also, I just have to thank STEM Labs and Dr. Sheikh Abdul Razak for the following and for the attention he gave, not just to me but to the other students of this project. And really recommend you to look to STEM Labs and try to find a project that sure you will find an interesting one. Thank you so much.